The above question is very common among the people who are new to the stock market. If you too are curious and want to know how trading is different from investing, please watch in full. What is trading? Trading means buying and keeping the stocks for a short time interval. The aim is to gain profits by usually selling the assets purchased on the same day. For example, an expert trader bought 100 stocks of a company X today at 11 a.m. He's sitting in front of the television or computer and analyzing the situation. Suddenly, he notices an increase in the price by about rupees 0.5 per stock. And he decides to sell all the stocks. He sells the stocks and earns the profit of rupees 0.5 per stock. This is what a trader does or tries to do. Many people, when they begin trading, think no knowledge or experience is required. And this leads to huge losses. Lack of proper training and real-time expertise will lose you a lot of money. Some traders even lack emotional balance and try to get rid of the stock when its price falls. This is what we call emotional instability. It's one of the most common reasons behind a trader's failure. Here are some things new traders must not do. Trading without prior experience. Taking buying decisions too quickly. Trading with no knowledge or lack of proper training. Trading with inability to recognize patterns, trends and technical data. Trading without monitoring the movement of stock or asset. The above given mistakes can be horrible, and you may lose everything. Not only do the beginners make these mistakes, sometimes experienced traders do the same as well. Therefore, it's essential for you to take up a training course and gain at least 2 years of hands-on experience in trading. And, to your surprise, the solution is one phone call away. Call the Only Profit You Academy at 77100-48506 and start your training right away. Our professionals will train you, educate you, help you monitor your stocks, and help you formulate trading strategies. You'll also get technical knowledge necessary to understand trends, candlestick patterns, and more. With OPU, you can trade with experience. Improve your chances of gaining profit. Monitor your stock efficiently. Make informed choices. Reduce losses. Build a decent side income. And once you have ample experience, you can implement the strategies for your good. What is investing? While trading can be thought of as a skill of timing, investing is an art of creating wealth by holding stocks for the long term. Similar to trading, investing also requires basic knowledge before you can think of earning high returns. If you consider time, some investors hold the stocks or assets for a year, decades and sometimes even longer. The best part is when you are investing money in the long run, the daily speculations do not affect you. However, such speculations definitely affect a trader who's dealing in the short term, intraday trading. For example, an investor purchases 10,000 stocks of a firm X based on in-depth market analysis and company's performance, future scope, etc. Once he thinks the company is going to do well, he decides to hold the stocks for 5 years. The daily price increase or fall don't disturb his long-term investment. However, once in a year he analyzes the company and market again to ensure profit. Once he thinks the time is right, he sells the stocks and reaps the benefit. How can you avoid mistakes while trading and investing? By now, you would know how essential training or knowledge is before you start trading. Therefore, you must reach out to the Only Profit You Academy. OPU offers training programs, strategies to newbies, inexperienced traders, investors, housewives, VRS persons, businessmen and whatnot. You need to have at least 2 years of hands-on experience in trading or investing before you can think of earning money. And OPU will make this possible for you. Our training programs are specifically designed for traders and investors, offering different benefits. If you want to become a trader or investor and don't want to lose money, make sure to reach out to Only Profit You Academy. We've helped numerous common people and investors become successful traders, and you can be next. So, call us now and trade like an expert. The answer to the question, is trading and investing in the stock market the same thing? Is no. Although there might be some similarities in trading and investing, still investing and trading are two different things. Trading requires more experience, skills, regular monitoring as compared to investing. Also, a trader looks for short-term profits by holding stocks for less than a day and selling them when the price rises. And an investor, on the other hand, looks for a long-term profit by buying and holding stocks for longer intervals. Whatever the case may be, if you trade or invest without the knowledge and training, you'll lose money. Therefore, it is suggested that you contact Only Profit You Academy for genuine guidance, training, and for learning basics about trading and investing.